September we met.
Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm here. It's your girl Yvonne. I'm here with another video, and today I'm going to be telling you guys sweet things that guys do to girls that we girls like cherish. Like, it's so nice when guys do this type of things to us. Well, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're not new here, thank you for coming. You can like, you can comment, you can also share my link to people. I'll be glad. So let's move. First one is when they walk behind you. Like, we like guys that walk behind us because it makes us feel like you're admiring our behind. Like, it's so cute when you're walking behind us. We are very insecure about it, especially the ones that don't have ass. But the ones that have ass, like, we like it, and we're also ashamed that you're walking behind us, but we like it. We like it. Please keep doing it. Kiss on the forehead. I don't know if anyone feels me, but whenever a guy kisses me on my forehead, like, I feel there's more to it. Like, there's a lot of love to it. So if a guy kisses a girl on the forehead, it's so cute. And even we can come to our friend like, kiss me on the forehead. Like, there's something special about that kiss on the forehead that is better than kiss on the lip, kiss on the hand and all. But kiss on the forehead. Another one is unexpected text from guys. When she's not expecting a text from you, you just text your girlfriend like, hey, how are you? Or how's the day going? Or I love you. Just unexpected text. She's not expecting it. It's so cute. If a guy texts me unexpected, like, I feel he's into me, and I feel he's always thinking about me, just like I'm thinking about him. Because if you notice, some girls, we text guys unexpected. That's because we want it to be done to us. Another one is keeping us warm when we're cold, and you give us your jacket. Shit, that's so cute. Like, you want to be naked for me. Man, that's cute. I feel it's very cute. So if your girl is cold, please give her your jacket. I think she's gonna love you. Showing us off in public, that's another point. It doesn't mean you're going to tell that's my girl or anything, but maybe when you're going out with the girl and you're holding hands with the girl, you're putting your hands around her shoulder, not her waist. This is irresponsible. Putting your hand around her shoulder, making it look like, okay, obviously that's his babe. We love it. Like, it's so cute. We like things like that. I'm not saying you should do it to your girl, but please, that's very cute. I think you should do it to your girl. When they remember something about you, that's another point. Like, maybe you guys are talking and the girl tells you that she doesn't eat pineapple, and just a few days later, or maybe 2 weeks later, you just remember that she doesn't eat pineapple. Like, it's way cute. It's way cute. Maybe you want to get her something and she doesn't like pineapple, and you just get her orange and like it's straight. I just when I was getting it, I was trying to find something like that doesn't contain pineapple. It's cute. It makes me feel like you're all over me, like you know every single thing about me. Like, it's way super cute. If a guy remembers things, little things, not birthdays, like obviously supposed to remember birthdays, like few things about her shoe type, her shoe color, her lip color, stuff like that. When you remember things like that, she might. Another point is hug from behind. It's really cute when a guy hugs us from behind, especially when that guy is your boyfriend. Please, if you're not the girl's boyfriend and you don't have anything with that girl, please don't hug her from there, because it's horrible. We only want it from our boyfriend. Please don't do it to us. Might end up slapping you. If my boyfriend hugs me from behind, like, oh, I feel so good. Like, you hugging me from behind, you see you're coming to protect me, like you're coming to gather me, give me some closure and stuff like that. Don't stop doing it, please. Just keep hugging me from behind. I would love. Another one is when he's silent when we're ranting. Whenever we're ranting and your boy and you are silent over it, you're just listening. It's super cute. You might just be like, but you're not talking, stuff like that. But within us, we know you're listening, and within us, we know that he likes me and he's very cute. That guys are silent whenever we're talking. Not that you shouldn't talk afterwards, but you're just listening. Maybe at the end, you'll be like, okay, it's fine, don't worry, with the kiss on my forehead, like this. Point is when they tell you story on the first day they met you, maybe the first time they saw you. That story is so cute. You might just be like, I was just there and I was watching this cute girl, this girl just walked in and stuff like that. It's really cute for us. We love listening to stories on the first day you met us, even if the first day wasn't the day you just started to talk to us, but that story is really cute. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share my link, make sure you're always here every